Hi, today I'm going to be talking about two important antimatter interactions. The first is called annihilation and the second is called pair production. Annihilation is where a particle and antiparticle pair, denoted by X and X bar, collide. When they do so, all their mass is converted into energy and is released in the form of two photons being released in opposite directions. They're released in opposite directions 180 degrees from one another because in the before scenario, with the two particles heading towards each other, the total momentum of the system is zero. Therefore, according to the law of conservation of momentum, it must be conserved after. Therefore, once the two photons are created, they must be emitted in opposite directions in order to maintain a momentum of zero. During this process, the energy is given by the following equation. Basically, what this means is that all the energy of one particle turns into all the energy of one photon, and all the energy of this particle turns into all the energy of this photon, which means the rest energy of the particle is equal to the rest mass multiplied by c squared, is also equal to h times the minimum frequency of the photon emitted, which is fairly simple. The next type of antimatter interaction is called pair production, which is kind of the opposite of annihilation, but not completely. It's where one photon with sufficient energy spontaneously splits into a particle-antiparticle pair. In order for this to happen, the energy must be given by 2E0 equals HF min. That's because the total energy of this one photon is split in half, one half given to the antiparticle and one half given to the particle, which means if this has a frequency of F, then that means the photon energy is given by HF, which means that energy of X bar is given by HF over 2, and the energy of X is given by HF over 2, because by the law of conservation of energy, the total energy in the system before and after stays the same. And that's the general gist of annihilation and pair production.